How long should puppies nap? If you've recently brought home a new puppy, you might be wondering why they seem to be sleeping all the time. Let's break down the napping habits of puppies to help you understand their sleep needs. Puppies, especially the very young ones, sleep a lot. Newborn puppies, those less than 2 weeks old, sleep around 90% of the time, which is almost 22 hours out of a 24-hour period. As they grow, this sleep time gradually decreases, but they still need a significant amount of rest. For puppies between 2 to 12 weeks old, the average sleep time is around 18 to 20 hours per day. This sleep is spread out in multiple naps throughout the day, rather than one long, continuous sleep period like adults. For example, an 8-week-old puppy might need about 5 naps, while a puppy over 12 weeks might need 4 naps or fewer. These naps can vary in length. Puppies can nap for as little as 20 minutes or as long as 2 hours. The frequency and duration of these naps are influenced by the puppy's age and activity level. The more excitement and stimulation a puppy experiences, the more sleep they might need. It's not uncommon for a puppy to fall asleep right after playing, eating, or interacting with people and other animals. To help your puppy get the sleep they need, it's important to establish a daily routine. This includes regular feeding times, playtime, and potty breaks. For instance, a typical day for a 12-week-old puppy might include several naps, playtime, and meals, with potty breaks in between. Ensuring your puppy has a comfortable, quiet place to sleep is also crucial. As puppies grow older, their sleep patterns start to resemble those of adult dogs more closely. By around 6 months old, puppies start sleeping less, typically needing 14 to 16 hours of sleep per day. By the time they reach adulthood, they usually sleep around 10 to 14 hours per day, with longer nighttime sleep and shorter daytime naps. So to answer your question, puppies need multiple naps throughout the day, with the total sleep time varying by age. For young puppies, this can be up to 18 to 20 hours of sleep spread out in several naps, while older puppies and adult dogs sleep less and have more consolidated nighttime sleep. Ensuring your puppy gets enough sleep is essential for their physical and behavioral development.